Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking over the 2026 F equals MA exam problem 8. Now this problem is about conservation of energy and kinematics. Let's start by reading the problem. A puck of mass m moves with speed v toward a heavy bump of mass m, big M, where m is much greater than small m. Both the puck and the bump slide without friction. The bump moves toward the puck with speed v over 2 and provides a smooth transition from the horizontal surface onto the bump. And if you look at the diagram, it's shown here, like it's really smooth. So what they're trying to imply is that there's no energy loss when during this process. The bump is tall enough that the puck slides back down. Find the maximum height h the puck reaches. Okay, so first of all, this might seem really complicated with all these different masses and there's no friction. So how do we know if this thing is going to move forward or backward? Well, first of all, let's see what information the problem gives. The problem gives that m is much greater than m. So let's say, for example, this was a mountain, okay? And this was maybe a grain of rice. If you imagine, even if you flick a grain of rice really hard onto a mountain, it probably won't budge, right? Because it's so much heavier and it has so much more mass that it's basically negligible. So we can just work in the frame of this mass, okay? Well, actually, a better way would be to work with the frame of the big M. Now, the relative velocity relative to big M of this M is going to be, let's say, okay, so you are on the mountain, right? And you look at this come towards you, then the relative velocity, you just add these together because you're working together to move closer, right? So it has to be faster. So the v relative is going to be equal to v plus v over 2, which equals to 3 over 2v. And so now we can use conservation of energy, right? This is pretty simple. So conservation of energy, E initial equals E final. E initial is the kinetic energy of 1/2 mv squared. And E final is going to be mgh. Because, and there's no extra forces. No extra energy dissipated because there's no friction and, there's a smooth transition. And we notice that m cancels out. We plug in v relative equals 3 over 2v. So 1/2, I'm going to add this here. So 3 over 2v squared equals gh. Now 1/2 times 9 over 4, v equals gh. So 9 over 8, this is squared. V squared equals gh. And we're supposed to find the maximum height h. So h is going to be equal to 9v squared over 8g. And that's going to be answer choice B. Yeah. So this problem, in the end, it's pretty simple. It's just this easy energy conservation. The part that I was testing that was hard was just how you would use the information they provided about some mass being significantly greater than the other and choosing to work in a certain frame. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.